Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful pearl beaded fascinator. This is a perfect accessory to add some glamour to your outfit, and it's really easy to make, so let's get started. Begin by placing your fascinator mold into a polythene bag. Add oil-based cream like Vaseline all around the top for ease of removal when dry. Then block your mold. Block at 4 points first of all, then continue to insert thumb pins all around the mold. I had measured my materials earlier. To do that, place your tape rule across the mold and measure. Add 2 inches to your measurements, then cut your material. Your material may be cinnamon or any other material. Here I am using paper mat and abaca material. If you're using only paper mat, measure 2 pieces and block your mold with it. After you have blocked the mold, then apply stiffener mixed with little water using a brush. Apply the stiffener generously, then leave in the sun to dry. Once dry, cut out the excess material and measure your millinery wire. Fasten with a thread and put into the fascinator as you see me do here. Next, get your pearls. We will be using pre-strung pearls for the fascinator. Apply a line of UHU glue over a section of the fascinator and place your pre-strung bead over it. Pull the bead thread from the other end and your beads will remain on the fascinator. Continue to repeat this process until you have covered all parts of the top of the fascinator. Once you have finished gluing on the pearls, use the UHU gum to secure the wire, the millinery wire you inserted earlier. Secure it in place, glue the edge all around. Then adhere a bias ribbon to cover the edge. Decide on what angle of the head you want your fascinator to be, then tack the head band to the fascinator. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel for more creative works. Thank you. Now you may choose to attach your brooch at this point or leave it till the end. To do that, decide where you want it to be, then attach using your UHU glue. Fold all 4 edges of a cut piece of paper mat, then cover up the stitches of the headband for a good finishing. And that's it. Now you have a beautiful pearl beaded fascinator that's ready to wear. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.